link up Dr. Jack to the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Janet Campbell is the realtor you should call.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further.
Land that the deal there. Why
Things are better for you now.
Yeah, man. I mean, love how you come through with it, man.
I don't know. I'm a businesswoman making them deals come true.
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah. So
I tell you.
hopefully we get better office and a bigger office.
Oh, yes, man.
More time to ourselves.
We have to get a promotion.
Yeah.
We have to get a promotion. We work hard for it, man. Nowadays, man.
It's about time we get the flexible schedule that we deserve, not true?
Yeah, man. Now the ugly boss that we have, man. When him see all them there something, I tell you, say.
He not go happy, you know.
What do you mean not happy?
He not go happy. He not want to see we strive. He not want to see we go above the level that we're at.
I'm glad me have as a co-worker. I love how me and you get along.
Really and truly?
Yeah, I mean, man. How you say, man? Like brother and sister, man.
Find somebody like a human.
For
Really
real,
and truly.
man. I saw everybody for stay, man. Ah, that. Then Zina, how you look, so? How am? How you look, so? How am to you?
Craig not say nothing to me.
What do you mean I say nothing to you? So how am to you?
You feel something not take me 2 years then when God give me and see you with the girl? Eh?
Which part you see me and girl? Which girl you talk about?
Okay, alright, cause me an idiot.
No, man, which girl you talk about? Which girl?
Look how long me here there. And you come and use your head for me now. Me know who is you. Me know when you keep woman with me.
Keep?
What you mean? You want that the girl there?
Cut. Hold on. Where this come from? Where you talk about?
Me don't want to hear nothing from you.
Don't hear nothing. Me don't know nothing.
What you mean you don't know nothing?
What you talk about?
You know well turn up so close, not even breeze can blow past you know. Sound say close. Everybody can see in the public. Say sitting in a sitting. What's the thing me a idiot?
No man, hold on. Explain to me what you talk about. Because you can't just come sit down and accuse me or whatever you talk about.
Me not accuse you. So if you tell you where, I'm if you tell you where.
Yeah, and that more here. I don't know what you talk. This is just news to me. You just come in blooming on my face.
The amount of place where you go with different women. That is the reason why you can't remember which part you did with
Jesus.
this.
You know, say sitting wrong with you.
Yeah, me mad.
No man, sitting wrong with you. Every
Head
time.
no good.
And recently you never stay. So all of a sudden every day me come in, you have something to come with. What's wrong with you? You accuse me, say if you feel so bad, me not do nothing around every day me come in if you go through this. What is wrong? Tell me now.
Okay, you want me to stand up and talk to you?
Stand up and talk to me.
Because it look like when me sit down, you not hearing me clearly because you're deaf all of a sudden.
Wait, listen now. Just get to me. Get to the point. Wait,
Craig.
Yeah.
Me take me 2 years and see you a corner bar stand up with the girl. You all buy food give the girl.
Corner bar?
I me know dirty food Sandra for a long time.
Then you don't know say Sandra work with me. You don't know that.
I no found out they would no co-work and I make no nice in here.
Co-work, then me and the person work together and we are celebrate one little business that we do. We are talking about something that will benefit all you.
Okay. So me a jackass.
I'm not jackass.
Me a your woman and their yard.
Me
Sit down.
Geez.
And you out of the road and celebrate with girl.
Yes, that make you have answer?
Yes! Yes! If me have me man and me love me man and me not cheat for me man, me supposed to jealous over me man and feel me man.
So hold on there. Say one time me say, me go work, me not have no friend. Man and woman, me can't have a woman friend.
What kind of friend?
A co-worker, what you expect? A co-worker.
That make it worse. Blood of Jesus, that make it worse. Me don't want no co-worker because my man get too close.
You want real narcissist, you know? What
Yes.
kind of behavior that?
Can me go that?
Make you-
Me want, can me go
You need
10
help.
Yes.
Apart from that, I notice if me even breeze and me walk past the road and I see somebody girl look on me, I look on the person. Something wrong with your mentally.
Like how you know some mentally ill.
Something wrong.
Carry me go a 10th floor, you get one pack of Milo. Listen to me, man. You see, any old me a pass, or even somebody just call me, all when me not see. And you say you and Sandra turn up nowhere again, you will stiffy me on you. I'm serious. How what?
Right, you come like me catch me afraid.
Catch you afraid.
Something
Catch you
wrong.
afraid.
Something wrong
Listen
with
to
them.
me.
You're
I
mental. You're mental. You're mental.
Me
This
ment-
proof to me say you're mental. The woman and my co-worker. You want to go find out things before you just see somebody attack and sit down before you come and accuse them. Something is wrong with you up here, so. Something wrong with you up here, so. And
You know say wrong thing you send me figure do?
I mean, I send you
What me
to
figure
do.
do? Go ask the girl if you and she there.
I don't expect you to go to her, but if you want to go, you can go and then you will find out for yourself.
He wouldn't pretty, he wouldn't nice at all. And you would have vexed if you meet that girl, but your
What kind of woman
co-worker.
this me go pick up and me go put myself in a door, lad? I say you turn. You get worse and worse daily. Something is wrong with you. Something wrong with you. You have a serious problem.
Craig, you get to me now, you know me have it up to your son. Last try, me have it up to your son. Me don't want to see you with no girl like that, me say. And me mean it. And when me say, I eat me say.
Okay, so what
And
you
me know
say?
why you're not talking after that.
Okay,
I
so-
don't care how much money you pay for me. Me no care where you want give me. My man is my man. He's not no other woman man.
Oh.
And I eat me say I'm done.
Oh, some say people and just hold my head straight and walk. Zena, what are you doing with that?
Boy. Head.
Mami, I make you move from long now. This is a country place, yeah. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Angel, you want me and you stay at town and suffer?
But mommy, you make me call it all of my friends them everything I move come down here.
You're not even reach your good. And you say no like down here. Eh? No worry yourself about it. Are your friend them you think about? Eh? You miss your friend them already? New place. New friend. You will find friends down here, people that everywhere all over the world. Stop thinking about them, the people. They don't even think about you. What you want to do? Make phone call and they know so we left me not even want nobody know so me left you out. No worry yourself, man. Come on. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I look for one lady named Nerine?
Nerine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one just make a lady will live down on the road.
Yes. But me don't know where she live.
Okay. Alright. She live down at the bottom part of that road there. Yeah, man, when you go here, say take a left and go down. You know, blue house, blue and white house, upstairs and downstairs. Upstairs not finished yet. Alright, that's where she live.
No dog no varia. They know her good?
Yeah, man, me know her good man, but maybe she's supposed to have dog because the gate always locked. So if you go and call, you alright.
Okay. So, what kind of uniform this in a school you go?
No, sir. Me a nurse down at the hospital, so that's why you see me have on this, sir.
You work at hospital?
Yeah, man, me a male nurse. Jamaican nurse, them don't normally wear this, but you know, one of my cousin they are foreign. He send a couple of them to me, so that's why I have them.
Oh.
Yeah,
You
man,
look
so,
nice though. So what is your name?
Oh, Devon Gale, but they call me Toby, so you can call me Toby.
Toby,
Yeah.
your name so nice though. My
Yeah,
name is Zena.
Oh, nice to meet you, Zena.
All right, then me a hurry.
So you don't have to hurry. You don't have to
Okay.
hurry, Zena. So
Okay, all right.
where you from?
You know, say Kingston me come from, but me live down here now.
You down here? Okay,
Mhm.
okay. You look nice though. Me know say still you don't know me and things still, but me a number man. I don't know you go hide him because me a number man.
All right. How Jamaica code go again? 879
Yeah, just put in
or
first bracket.
876?
Put in 876.
Okay, all right. See there?
When see him again?
Save it as Zena.
Zena. All right, Zena.
Yeah.
All right, big up yourself. So just go on, man. You will find out where she live. All right.
All right, thanks.
All right, yeah, man.
All right, Toby.
That man a simple thing, man. For you give me the number, we no call. You know what I'm saying?
Thanks for calling anyway. You can tell me anything at all about yourself.
Me have a daughter. Yes, she a soon 3 too. And me and the mother not there still. You know what I'm saying? We're not there together. You know, you just never work out, even though you know we get a child together. Relationship never work out, so we just part the ways. But we still try to be a good father to her and thing. You know what I'm saying? So what about you?
Me have a daughter too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
She bigger than your daughter. Because if your daughter 3 or soon 3, my daughter 14, she's soon 15. So a bigger girl.
So
Yeah.
you up. So one of them day, man, you can come meet her and thing. Or when I left work, you can meet me. Just follow the yard and meet her.
No problem.
I like you to meet my sister because I have a sister we're very close and thing.
Your sister. Why your sister have to meet anybody and you would talk to? Why you don't take me to your mother?
Well, my mother passed and gone, but so my sister may have left, so and she did it for me, you know what I say?
Okay. Right, so I remember your name still, Toby, right?
Yeah, man, Toby and Zena, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Zena, of course. Angel. Meet your stepfather, Toby. Toby, this is Angel, your stepdaughter.
Oh, nice to meet you, Angel. Nice to meet you. Nice daughter you have. All right. So, me not too tired still. Me just glad to go introduce me still. So, me go run because me have some work for do. I'm more to go in closer because whole day me there at hospital today. I'm super tired. All right. So it was nice to meet you, Angel. All right.
All right. It's when like the hospital are really they work for you.
So, mommy, we'll find this man in just a green suit.
Angel, listen to me now. You see, this man we are talking about, he's a very nice person.
So, what happened to Craig?
You talk about Craig? Craig, all right, more than me and you. Craig, they are tone and live theme life with theme next woman. So me find another man. Me can't sit down and so and think about Craig. Craig not even remember me. I mean, no one remember about Craig. All me a focus on now is you and me man. You understand? No worry about Craig. Me not even want to think about him. Him alright, him a live him life. Me a live for me.
Hey, Wagwan sis. This is my friend Zena. Zena, this is my sister Gigi.
Hi, Zena.
Hi.
Yeah, man, I just did care to introduce to you, cause you know a thing already. Yeah?
Toby, I know something I want to talk to you about something very important. I'm glad to see you.
No, I
That's
can't.
what happened to your phone?
You know, me couldn't find a SIM, so I just didn't really use it.
Just send you one text message a while ago.
Yeah, man. Oh, wait a second. Talk to me now, no.
Oh, man, I want to talk to you alone, man.
Oh, okay. All right, Zena. You can either wait out that gate or wait on that cool shit about this till me don't talk to my sister, all right? Hey, sister, how make you couldn't talk where you talk right in
Come on,
front?
come closer, come closer, come closer, come closer.
What me know?
I will make sure you look for me and I quickly and I go on, so.
No, sir. Maybe I overthinking. Nothing shock up no, yeah, for you.
You there look for me, I look straight on her. And which part you find that the friend there? Friend? Where you
Well,
find her from?
you know me name, me no want to rush nothing, sister. That's why I miss a friend. But I'm a girlfriend. Me just not too long meet her. Few days ago, I know long, but I'm a woman, man. But me never want.
You just meet her and I call her your man. So I'm to your baby mother.
Sis, you know, say me and baby mother now back. There's a water on the bridge. When you have people now see eye to eye, sometimes you have to let go some relationship. And my baby mother, yes, she have a youth for me, but I just saw you go. She am a new woman, you know.
Toby, look for me. You see when you start have children, or you start get children, because they say, woman have and man get. You see when you start get children, you have to consider say your family that. You hear me, I tell you? A man and a woman for go there and pick me. You see she? Something about her. Something about her not right.
Sis,
You bring her come introduce to me and she underlook me and give me some dirty look.
I want to really sis. Feel spirit never take nobody yet. So my baby mother always smart. Me feel like. But I just say go. Me and my baby mother no work out. She have just accept the fact that I find somebody else. I'm not thinking I could know you for you. I think you just are overreact.
Me nah overreact. Me see what me see. And she look like some people me know from cassava piece. She look like, say, me know some, yes, yes, when me used to work at Pegasus Hotel, me say she look like one girl where two of we used to work together.
Sis, me not think you know her.
And which part you come from?
A Spanish town, she tell me say she won't live.
How far Spanish down the Frankinston?
You know, they're too far, but a Spanish town. So Spanish town and cassava piece are two different places.
People
You
can't move.
don't know her. You don't know her.
So which part she live now?
She rent one house once so because she tell me say she moved from Spanish town and she relocate come down here because she get one job down here. She don't have to live here.
And she moved from Spanish town. The same way she can move from cassava piece. Listen to me, my brother. Listen to me. Me say, I know some people who used to live at cassava piece.
Sis,
Listen to me.
you're not happy for me? You're not happy for me? Look how long I tried single road.
See, you couldn't try one different road. Something about her. You know, see how she stand up.
Alright,
See how she stand up strong like all man.
she have
She look like she will beat you, you know.
sister.
It's
She
alright.
have wait for me. She have wait for me. So me now make she wait too long and feel like she will up your chat.
Look here, no. You see,
Go back down.
you see, if she related to them, the people who me I tell about my brother, then terrible with a capital T.
Here was sis. Me I go.
Me I get you, Roger.
I can't introduce her to you. So me not come for a long bag of chat last time.
And I like
You will-
that lecture, you know.
You see what she had? Alright, me I go back to her. Later.
It look like she not even like me and she just a sniff.
Later, sister. Cause
Yeah,
your spirit.
look here. Let me tell you something. You see, if she and them the people are related, you know, if you go that the family there, because they in terrible and blood full of vein, they only a want you.
Alright, later.
They only a want you. Look here. You see, if you left yourself and you meet good with her, thank God. But if you see you meet bad and you buck your foot, thank yourself. You can't say me never want you.
Alright, later.
You can't say me never want you.
How make you look so?
Who she? You tell me say your sister, I don't understand you. Who she? How me not know about she? Two sisters you tell me say you have.
Oh, you act like you're jealous, so. I'm a sister. You really feel someone don't care come meet one woman or something? I'm a sister.
Only a man do that.
Don't tell me say I'm jealous, you're really jealous. Are jealous, you're jealous? Not do that, man. Not do that. Not do that. Not do that. I'm a sister, man.
So me fi have my man and don't jealous of a man. That mean me don't love you then.
Listen,
That try
listen, me I say, no bother with the excitement. It's my sister has long up, so still. Not act like it. Just come on, make it go.
You what wanna do that about? I want hear what wanna do that about so long wanna have me underneath tree.
No, come on, sister.
She not hear me.
Stop asking. She not idiot because I see a fall on and everything. What we are talking about? That's some family business we are talking about, man, and nothing complicated.
You ready?
Yeah, me ready. Me ready. I don't tap your foolishness, man. So come on, man. You know it, Chuck.
Toby, me have one maths homework. I'm do that one day if I could help me with it, please.
Alright, no problem. Come. See, long time I don't see them much, you know. Alright, me take a look through all right first and then I can see where you go. So if you have a movie one and put it here, so minus this, you're supposed to get this as the answer. Your daughter look like she have a bright future in a maths, Zena. Like she'll reach far, man. I'll make it. No, sir.
Angel, may I ask you one question? Why you can't do your work off your own? Why problem?
Mommy, me never understand the maths problem. That's why I asked him to help me. How?
You no understand. The math with the our then give algebra, a percentage. Remember say you always depend on a roll. So me nobody can use the little crayfish brain for me can tell me about you no understand maths. Where the Angel? And you, Mr. Toby. Where they do you the time of day? No work every day. Are you there for me no know about it?
Listen, man. My work somebody yesterday and they work for me today. So I feel like for take today, wow, man. And she asked me a simple thing to help her with her maths homework. What can I step forward would I be? If she asks me to help her with her work, I'm gonna tell her something and help her.
So how you get there for me no know about that? You're supposed to tell me everything about you. If you go to road, you're supposed to tell me. If I work here,
Alright, you know what, Zena? Me I go home and make you and your daughter trash this out because
hold on. What you mean when you say I go? Explain that, let me know what you're talking about.
Gina, I am simply saying that you and your daughter can trash this out. Or if you want to pick up on me left off and help her with her homework, me just go and excuse it to her because me and the type of person who really drunk.
To be, me no want hear nothing from you. I swear to God as me turn up here, so me no want hear nothing from you because every time me come to you and talk to you about something where they affect me, you find excuse. You have something else to talk about and add up. No, you want to go your yard?
Alright.
Toby, don't play with me.
Alright, Zena, I'm not quarrel. I'm not fuss. You and your daughter just work this out. Because I want a simple thing and I think you're overreact.
Me a overreact. I say you look funny. I say you come down. I say you go like me a idiot and me no know what me a talk about. Such one my daughter. Me no fi talk to her. Me come see her. And me man they too close. And me want to know what do. Because you can act like I say you the sure. Maths. Whether maths, English, or whatever science you the show him. Me don't care. I could have social study. Why you personally? Why she couldn't ask me as her mother for sure? Or become a dunce?
You know what is funny? This really funny.
True, you get subject and me not get none of it.
You know what, Zena? Me see it say I blow this without a proportion when it's necessary. I mean now say you know if you feel a sort of way, say whatever. So here what? Me go look for my daughter. And so look more. You hear me?
You see, me I go deal with you later. Don't worry yourself. Go and do your maths and your English. Do all of them. You hear? But you see, anytime I come back, little girl, heaven clean down and glory fill your soul. Watching me and you. You, I don't trust you. You. Stand there, look on me. You soon find out if I joke me now. Look on my face. No laughing.
Come like me come right in time, man. You alright, Layla?
I don't have no money at school. I come up past this year. She don't get nothing yet. Deal with shoes.
Alright, here. No worry yourself. I'm supposed to get paid this weekend. So me ensure say me take care of them stuff there, alright?
Make sure because I don't want when the last day come, she'll get them.
No man, me would never do that. Me would wait until you come to your appointed time then. Me deal with that. You want more, mommy? You don't want no more? Me not go tarry too long. But you put her down and make she walk.
What? Wrong up you.
Can you use my box rings?
She very hyperactive.
See, alright, man. You don't get much sweet on it, something here. The baby? Baby, the next door. Baby is next door. Alright, so I'm not going to stay too long, so find anything later.
So next time we can get me something then.
This weekend, man. No worry yourself, man. This weekend.
And she want whole past up. Everywhere we go, she want trips, she want clothes. Me always have to spend.
Where's up, mommy? Now put on pretty clothes. Alright.
Can put on pretty clothes for you. Come on, baby.
Night dry there? Yeah. Alright. Think some. Hold this here. Hold out the car.
Alright, come.
Finish drink later. Alright, hold her for me. Later. Alright, later.
Behave yourself.
She look like she missed me already. Later.
Come. Him have to go away. How would that?
Hello.
How would that? How may I help you?
My name is Zena.
Okay.
I recently moved in the area. Me have me stuff them up the line. And me no get to carry them down yet. Me have me beg a little ice water, please. You have any ice?
Ice?
Yeah, the sun real hot and me tired. Me I come from far.
Wait, let me check. We're supposed to have some cube ice in the fridge.
Alright, thank you very much. God know. But I appreciate it.
Hold on, no, I'll
Right
give you a
now.
big so ice.
Thirsty. Please me I beg you. So me can come inside.
Yeah, man, come on, sit down.
Alright, thanks.
You know, so many, they think me said cube ice in the fridge, but no, nothing there.
No problem.
So, I
Thank
just
you.
some ice water, maybe.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah, let me figure out the way. Damn hot body. So,
Thank you for the water. God bless you. Me did thirsty real bad.
so my name is Shani. So, where did you say your name again?
Zena.
Oh, Zina.
And me can give you my number, you know.
Oh, this is
You don't have no pen? Okay. Alright. Where your phone?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, this is my number. Remember my name Zena. So just ring my phone. You can ring it right now, you know, because my phone, me left it on charge. Me will see your number. Ring it. Ring my phone. No man, ring my phone and let me get your number.
You see now?
What's your name again?
Shanice.
Shanice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we say there Shanice. Yeah man, send it. Send one please call me to it or something. Yeah. Alright, so thank you. And guess what? Mood mind you can set some more ice. So, like if me a pass by, cause me no know when me go get the time to go for me things them. You know, me tell you say me have my fridge and my furniture them, me all of them up in line. So please me I beg you, just set some ice to me and when you set the ice, you can call me. Or if me a pass by, me can give you a shout here. Alright, thank you. Alright, baby. Bye. Yeah, look for me. Hey, Angel, like seriously, you look for me. Yes, when you come on to my man, me no care who I me warn you and tell you the same thing over and over.
Mommy, I know me can't believe this. You really did this. You really case of one.
Really do what? You think
Like,
you get nothing yet?
seriously?
You don't get nothing yet, Angel. You don't get nothing yet. If you ever know me, I pray if you do with you. You're lucky say I just time me tie you up. Whether I go stay down underneath this cellar.
No, but Mama, we really don't want your man to do.
What you say? You have attitude. What you just say? What you just say? My man you talk about? Mine know you talk about me man little girl. Not talk so hard about him. Because every talk you talk about him, me feeling and my brain don't do it. When me the think for you right now.
Hey!
Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Help? Who there to help you? Eh? Remember say on that basement you're dead. And you go stay down here. You are going to stay down here forever. You're not come out. Where you move up your head so far. Little girl, if you ever scream again and make the neighbor them hear him, I slap you in your mouth. You understand? You may have you up. A long time me dey watch you with me man, little girl. And me go lego your mouth. And if you scream at me, hey, don't make me hurt you down here. You hear me? I tell you, can't even food me not give you. I rather cook some big fish and conch and lobster give me man. You're not getting any. Don't do that again. No, tall. Angel, you make me get bringle.
Mama, make me feel you love me.
Eh? Love? Who give you that the idea? They say me love you.
But can't be mother.
Yes, me bring you upon land. I bring you on this land. But me buy your clothes. Me buy your shoes. Me feed you. And me give you something for sleep. You understand? That no mean say me have to love you. Me love my man. And anytime you see me care, no man come around me. Me no care them for you get them. So no go too close, my man. You understand me? So your punishment is under the basement. And if you ever open your mouth again, you're not gonna like it.
Can't see my daughter like you.
Dirty?
Yeah.
What type of ice? God bless you for the ice 1,000,000 times. You see, if I went them the people they up there, so where me come from, the amount of things where they will have on their head to tell me. Me have to help your light bill just to get little ice, you know. You want good man.
No yourself.
You
know,
good
say,
man.
And so me stay, I love help people.
Well, me I tell you then time, them wicked, then they won't charge me for all water it because I didn't water them use set the ice. They have to charge me for light bill. Now my charge them tell me to come help clean out their fridge. But thank you very much.
No problem. Anytime you want ice, we can sit it for you.
Anytime? All right. Thank you very much. I don't know how I'm going to manage, but this way you put it into.
I want a little plastic container. So
I wonder if the way it's on that.
Yeah. It not melt.
If it melt out before later.
When you come back, you can bring me some, you can set more ice for you again. Yeah, because I have one big container I have here.
Thank you. Thank you, man. You know, say, me I think about something while you did gone for the ice. Nobody say I fast in your business, you know. The last time when I come down here, I don't see your baby father. How when they?
Well, you know, say, I still love my baby father, but me and him break up. He come here now and then come look for his daughter because you know, say, he have to look for his daughter. No matter because we don't talk, he still have to look for his daughter. But I really wish he could have come back and just stay with me. But it not gonna work. I really love him.
You love him?
Yeah.
You love me, man? Your baby father? You love your baby father?
Yeah. Right now, if he come through the door and say, babes, can we get back together? We're ready to take him back. Even in picture them when have in our house, me not dash them way. Because I always love look upon him. We create a child together. I have to love him.
Oh, no feel no wasted. Me, I think about my baby father up, so me wishing did come down here with me.
Okay.
But you have to work, you can't get to come.
You know they way there.
Yeah. You keep all in picture them?
Yeah.
Sorry, me never care one of my baby father picture with me.
Yeah, fi. Not sure we break up, we not talk no. Maybe one day we'll get back together. You know?
Eh? Oh no, we get back together because we love one another.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know, see how we daughter sweet.
yeah, me see it.
But anytime you want ice, you can come.
Yeah.
Set the ice for you. Just
Alright.
remember to bring back the container because I want to have.
Alright.
Good evening. Now tell me, say you're still vexed over the fact that me just wanna help your daughter with her homework. Eh? You still vexed? If you want me to go back to my yard, you can tell me still, you know.
Where you come from?
Me I come from my yard. Me give you a little time for get your foolishness out of your head. A matter of fact, me come home and see Angel or she.
So 2 years they have?
Me have my yard. Me must have my yard before me come and say, you know.
A 2 years they have, me ask if you have 2 years. But
Me-
from here, you're not supposed to have 2 years again.
No, something for to sell me house.
You not have to sell it, but you can go there now and again, but don't stay so long neither. A matter of fact, you know, if you stay the period, a yes you live, a yes you stay. Anyway you sleep and eat, a day you live. You gone from when? Sake of your foolishness. And
My foolishness.
oh, you mean? Me no know no in your sado, and I can't use no head for me.
So hold on, me not see Angel with the run out.
Run out. Angel. You
Yeah.
come back, I can't ask about Angel.
Me not ask about her, but just
Me no run out Angel, me send her down her dirty pooper.
say it's a true sake of this make you run him out to my father.
Toby,
Alright, you know what?
you not understand me.
Forget about
You
forget
know say from me and you there, you really seriously not understand me?
alright, you know what? Left it ready. Sorry if you ask about your daughter. Leave it ready.
You can ask about Angel, but how? And why?
Alright, me can come back and come stay. Everything good?
Me never send you nowhere, you gonna for your own. Me and you there supposed to stay with me.
Alright, so everything alright then.
Me never have nothing and you gone. So if you want to come back, you come back. And me know say now go back through the door, you have to stay. Can you go back through the door, it's not go nice.
Alright, forget
Just
about
don't
everything.
Go back through the door.
Alright, yeah, me not go back to your door, alright?
Cause anywhere you go, me I go find you.
Alright, we don't talk about that, you know. Come lie down side of man and done.
Right now, me vex with you. Me no want to lie down side there, you know. Cause me not sure where they come from.
Alright. Oh, go on, my sister, we have bad news.
You mean you have bad news?
You have to go keep Layla a bit for me because see what happened. Me dey at work today and me get one horrible news say Shanice get shot and she dead.
Dead?
She dead. So
Oh.
when that happened?
Sometime today, me not even, honestly to God, me not even know what to tell her say. Me confused right now, me confused. Me don't know what to tell her say. Honestly to God. He just call me and tell me say, I don't even know.
You
I
sure
need,
so she did her aqua machine?
me,
You see her?
me not see her body, I neighbor them, me go pick up a baby from me come, me see police, they are a process a crime scene. Right now, I don't know, my sister, God no.
So Shanice and people in an argument. Everybody love Shanice. To be everybody love Shanice, so could have happened.
Boy, I don't know, God no.
So
Honestly to God. Be
come
yourself,
here.
Leila.
Come here, Leila.
Honestly to God, me not know. Me no know have nobody on Shanice na nothing. And me know me and nobody na nothing either. So right now, me no know. Me no know. Me just want to hurry up go me and go be there.
Tell you.
I neighbor then call me. I neighbor then call me and tell me say big old something happen down there and me just rush from work and just come. And if after me left this I first person me come to right now. Go on, Leila, go on.
Lord have mercy. So Shanice really dead for you?
Me no know. Me no know. It just seems so real right now. Me no know. Me no know what to think, my sister. So just keep your baby for me. Let me just sort out my headspace and get myself together.
Right now, I'm lost without words. I can't even relate to what you tell me say right now. It come like me lick my head. Cause nothing can never really go like what you tell me.
It no seem like nothing goes on. Me just have to just think say Shanice there on our yard and everything good. Me just can't.
Man, you have to go look and confirm that she dead for true for me really believe. Nice. Shanice, when she and people in an argument. Me never hear Shanice and nobody at all in a no form of argument.
That me I think. Shanice so soft spoken. And look how y'all just say me fi go back to her. Probably if me go back to her, probably this wouldn't happen. Or maybe this would happen. Maybe me than dead.
Me did tell you, but you never listen. Me tell her, say, stay with Shanice. What's your name? Where you did bring come here? What's your name again? I'm gonna register
Zena.
for your name, Zena. The spirit not take her.
Alright, and
So she
me not to,
here?
no, I go home right now. Me not even want to talk about that right now. Me just want to go clear my head. But me I go home and if in case not me keep you posted.
And one thing me I tell you now. You see Shanice Pitney. Me no want her around Zena, you know. Me we keep her. My brother, listen to me. But they talk to you and me tell her say, go on back to Shanice. And you tell me one whole heap of argument and one different story. No, you have to go the little girl all by yourself without a mother. You understand me? Me no, you see Zena. Look here. You see Zena. Me no want Zena grow already.
I don't even want to talk about who I go, Leila or whatever. I just make me stay with you. I trust you enough to make you stay with you. Me figure out whatever else afterwards. And if in case of anything I'm getting information, I will call you and make you know.
You need to hire one private detective. Because me I tell you the truth. You see, regardless say she just dead. Look here. Me no want you get carried away with the fact say Layla is still here. You understand me mean? Layla no understand anything yet, you know. But you no think say she gonna miss her mother? Me no want her around Zena. Me don't want Zena to grow Layla. I tell you the truth.
Alright.
And me I make sure say me I rub it in your head from now.
Alright, Gigi. Me don't want it to be about Zena right now. But let me just figure out it
I
first.
tell you.
Alright, later me just call you, alright?
What are the girl bright so? Oh, she and baby father go there back where? And a safe picture. My man I want, I did your baby father. But I'm my man now, who bread. Toby, what do you? Oh, you look so like somebody dead. How you still want Duffy? Want you? Toby, want you? Hmm? Toby, warm to you. Why you look like this? What happened?
You know, somebody at work today. Let me get one call. Say they shoot my baby mother. And she dead. Right now, around my sister yard. Me just a come from the carry baby go left her around me. Right now, me still in shock. Me not lie you.
So, what happened to your baby mother? Why they have to kill her? What kind of problem she in?
Zina, how me fi know that? How me fi know what kind of what my baby mother involved in? I mean, I think she involved in nothing.
You sure?
Yeah, she not involved in nothing.
That's me not understand why somebody would just really go kill her just for nothing at all.
Me not know. I don't know. Me a wrong person to ask. Right now, in our hands are police, and them have to go figure out what cause my baby mother fi lose her life.
Toby, me ask you one question. You nobody in no war or nothing?
Zina, what kind of question that?
No, but me just ask you something because if you and your baby mother and other people in a problem, you no must expect if they can't catch you, then we go for your baby mother. Something why you tell me the truth for I know you're the Zina. Just tell me the truth now.
Zina, when me expect you to do right and I be more sensitive about situation for know my baby mother lose her life is something me not even know what. You ask me like you try to interrogate me. Me know nothing about that.
Me no know why you come and tell me say your baby mother dead. How comes your baby mother dead? She just dead so for no reason and must something why she dead.
I must something yes, but me no know what.
Make sure say you're not involved in it.
You hear what? Why?
Toby, make sure say you're not involved in that death there with your baby mother because me no want the police go and lock me up.
Zina, you go all over the place now. You say if me responsible, if me in a...
And they haul and pull me all over the place is something we me no know about.
Zina, me no know nothing about what go on. Me just a shock. Fi find out say me baby mother get shot and dead. Right now, the baby left without a mother.
The baby, you can't put her children home. How? You want carry the baby come here so and you say me not trust you and Angel already.
Hold on, me tell about carry baby
but me tell her say, where baby I go to stay on her own, me and you.
The baby there my sister yard.
So you they do one if something behind my back before you tell me where your woman.
Jesus Christ.
Put the telephone on you kill your baby mother, you come and see.
Me feel like something wrong with your brain.
Something wrong with my brain, yeah. It's cheap bad. I forgot to take my medication.
Alright, you know what, Zina?
You say I listen for your baby mother. But something wrong.
You know what, Zina? Me go take a walk. Because right now...
Where you go?
Me go to road, go walk.
Where you mean you go take a walk? Something happened bad. And you talk to me about it and me they try to get the truth out of you. Tell me say you get a walk. Go and go take a walk. Go and go take a walk.
Sometimes I have to get bad things like laugh. God no.
You find it funny, me not find it funny. Because it's serious. Look at more police that come investigate me about you and baby mother. Something when me not know about.
Zina, you see right now, you have got too far. I mean, you know, I go downstairs. I sit down on the step downstairs. Because right now, me just can't process all the things and what you think and I say.
One, I hope when you come back, you're prepared to tell me the truth. Go on, Toby. One, because me can't prove this your baby mother dead. I don't know if I can't trick you, they can't trick me now. If you go behind me back and go there back with your baby mother, you go tell me say your baby mother dead. Some game you come with now. One, I hope when you come back you tell me the truth. If you're involved or not.
You know what, Zina? Everything good. Sure.
You make sure you say your plan to tell me the truth when you come back.
Right, how is that? Toby?
Hey, walk along.
There, man. How you do, person?
Why, you know, I know say, over station me I come from, we try to get some information in regards to my baby mother killing. But I know police say nothing, nothing sensible to tell me, say, brother. So right now, me feel away, brother. I swear to God. Nah, like you.
Come here, I said me hear one little something that going up there, you know.
I don't know if you could see if you could get some information for me.
I said me not really fully back into the work yet. Still have me on an investigation, but the little dirty boy Sarge, man. The man man bad mind, you know, man.
Me know a police thing, but yo, and not to say alone, say my baby mother thing have me head away too. Me a start a priest. I wonder if she know nothing about my baby mother we dead.
So this a girlfriend, that's where she come from.
Town so she come from so Spanish town side. She relocate cause she get a better job offer down her side, you see me?
What's up? Brother, you have to be careful with somebody whenever say them are relocated. Because you say she come from a Spanish town. You don't know a rich one of them hoodlums there for Spanish town she did there with, you know. You see me? So you know want she did there with one of them man they we getting so much problem. You see me? None of them little thief in boy they from Spanish town. You know what? She did in a them the situation and run. You nothing run she probably run the couple again, you know.
No, sir, me not think so, man. Cause she and her daughter too. So me not think so.
Enough. Over 15 years now me at the police working and there's a lot of ways where some certain situation can come them.
I don't know, yeah, man. But yo, just check out it for me. And let me know what I'm going. Zane?
So what's your name?
Zena.
Zena, why right?
You know, if you tell you the truth, even though me and she them never really ask her last name.
You see? Yes, me I tell you about. Oh, you fit there with that woman and you don't know her last name. You don't know nothing about it, man. Eh?
But she name Zena, man, so you can probably look into her name for me. Alright.
Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can find. You understand?
Toby, you hear nothing about your baby mother?
Zena, so how all of a sudden you're so concerned?
Are your baby mother? Remember said she have a child for you. You said she dead and gone. You are my man. Me can't ask her nothing. Me can't ask about her.
Me never tell her say you can't ask me about her, but you did so. You know, no, me not hear nothing about her. But if me hear who do it, we will make a move. Me go hold her bed and go and my sister go look for your baby. Alright?
Alright.
Yo, Toby, your girlfriend, that woman there, she's a wicked murderer. That woman there, brother, people don't want to know, say, we do some investigation and if you find out, say, she did the with a man and the man missing by when and she did the cook and all sorts of that one them wanted to murder over town. No wonder she wouldn't come down here and don't know nothing about her. Brother, you can know what we do.
Don't move.
Zena, wait. Where are you, Zena?
Toby, me no want to hear nothing from you. Shut up. Move. Move. Sit down.
Zena, please. What is for? A matter of fact.
Why you use your mouth? Like you know when me I go say to you. Shut up and listen. Toby, why you go inform for me to police and you know me not like police? Me and police are no friend.
Zena, listen man, this just a show me say, are you kill me baby mother? Are you kill me baby mother, Zena?
So you ready for judge me wrongfully? Toby.
So then Zena, we have hold gun for me if you not do nothing wrong.
Why you do this?
So police are grown and I investigate. But me,
Alright.
if you find me, if you lock me up because of you.
Please, Zena, please.
Talk fast.
Please, may I beg you.
Talk fast.
May I beg you, Zena, don't kill me, please. Please.
Don't kill you.
Yeah, please.
Give me one good reason why I'm not to kill you.
Because I'm not doing nothing wrong, Zena.
What you mean, Toby? Right now you get me bringle. You need to explain yourself. Why you go call my name to police?
I just ask the police to check out the information about you because I really and truly.
Toby, I don't like how you talk. You sound like a liar you tell. Toby,
Really,
be careful of what you say to me before you say it. What is the problem? Why you go call up my name to police? Toby, me and police are not friend and you know.
Because you're jealous, Zena, I just did want to ensure, say, really and truly, you're not involved in nothing, Zena.
Toby, like seriously? So me fi have my man, I'm not jealous over him and I love my man so much. Toby, a prison, you want me to go left you for another girl get you? So me fi have my man and don't love my man, me not fi jealous over me and hey. Me not fi jealous over you, Toby, and that you try to tell me. Get up. Move. Before me just kill you and get rid of you and done. If me can't get you, no other girl not fi get you. Leave and go down at the basement now. Walk up, man. And my name go.
So, Zena, you're reading on your dog, I'll care after you too.
You talk too much. Sit down.
God, no, look at much this man.
You talk too much. And your mouth put you down and say you chat too much. You see somebody else down here, son? Me say if you see somebody else down here, so act like whatever you see or whosoever you see invisible. You talk too much, I'm going to feed you like a dog. Shut up. You know what? Don't move. Sit up, sit up, sit up and lean back right there. Tie up your foot. Read yourself.
Zena,
You know, oh, Toby, shut up. Tie your own foot. I'm going to need tie good. As me now put down my weapon and make you take up it. Tie your foot.
Angel, alright? Yeah, eat nothing?
Shut up before me get rid of the tongue right now. I'm kill it one. Look like when one disappear. You, why you take so long to tie your foot? Tie tight. Make sure say don't pull. Hurry up. All of them behind your head. This thing for joke.
So you're really clear?
So your hand fit tie behind you. That may I tell you. Put back your hand over your head. No talking. Talk too much.
Zena, you see, if you let me go and let go Angel, maybe just tell the police them say, you don't know nothing about it. I set them a try set you up.
Toby, shut up. You're deaf. Seems like you're deaf or you don't understand what shut up mean. Hey, are you that you take me for? You take me for that. You have to tell police say me don't know nothing about it. After you give out information about me already told me not trust you. Me not trust you, no that. Yo, put back your hand behind you. Are you? You see how look at me? I lucky you, you know. See you live this today. You and you, the two of me that things. That's the reason why you end up down here. And if you open up your mouth, girl, they blow it off. Mother or no mother, daughter or no daughter, I don't care. This is my man looking under some serious punishment right now. Everything I do is all because of you, just you. You hear me? What that? And anyhow, you know about screaming yourself. You just get rid of that woman. Make sure say none of them not try to pull out. Dead before the sun. Watch it. Watch it now.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Janet Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donetcampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook. Donnet Campbell is your realtor.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use, make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know, say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.